prediction here. Pero bago ko gawin yung prediction ko, kailangan ko ng isang volunteer. Yung babaero. Yung babaero.
Francis Santos!
Sino?
Francis Santos!
Sino yung babaero? Francis Santos! Walang mga naman natin si Francis Santos. Sige, okay, upo ka lang dyan. Baka makita ka nila. Yeah, Francis Santos! I have here my prediction. I'll be showing it to you guys. It will be here. Ganito, Francis Santos. Babaero ka daw?
Ado, ay nagpa-ado.
Babaero ka daw? Yan ang tatak ng babaero. Dinitinay. Palakpakan. Palakpakan, dinitinay. Francis Santos, imagine right hand, you're holding a red rose. Very good. Imagine your left hand, you're holding a yellow rose. Red and yellow. Now put one on the table. What would that rose be? Yellow. You're holding, hold it up, everybody. You're holding red rose. Tandaan nyo ha. He's holding the red rose. Tandaan nyo. Francis Santos, damay-damay na to. Isa pang babaero, magturo ka. Damay-damay na to. Isa pa. Isa pang babaero. Wala kang kilala? Tabi mo.
Ginagaw!
Ayan. Ito na lang. Cedric! Palakpakan natin si Cedric! Cedric! May balita ako, hindi ako sure. Demure daw ito at mindful. Tama? Cedric! Pangilang girlfriend na siya? Marami na. Kita mo na, marami na. Cedric! Dahil babayero ka at marami ka na naging ex. Do you still remember yung una mo ng date mo? First date? Kahit nung hindi ka pa basta first date. Do you remember that day? That exactly yung first date mo?
Yung pinaka-pesa?
Yung pinaka... Yun. Sige, kahit yun lang. When was your first date?
Hindi mo maarahan.
Parang lang. Kahit hindi siya. Hindi naman tuloy siya yun, Sabi niya. Sige, kailan nangyari yun? January, December, February, March. Sometime in June. Around what day? 1, 2, 3, first week, second week, third week. First week, so 1 to 7. June? June 6. Parang tumamamurot. June 6, walang pangalan natin yung babae ng Cedric. June 6. Tapos yung next ko, na volunteer, kailangan ko rito yung babae malakas yung kuto. Malakas yung kuto. Kayo na lang dalawa, pag-aawayin ko kayo. Malakas natin yung malakas yung kuto, pag-aawayin ko kayo. Ano ba? Rachel. Malakas ang kuto. Malakas malakas si Cedric, malakas ang kuto. Pag si Cedric nagpunta ng CR, dala yung cellphone, kinukutoban? Pag si Cedric nagpunta ng CR, ay dala cellphone, paulit-ulit yung tugtog. Wala kang 30 seconds, umuulit na naman. Kung kinukutoban? Oo. Tapos malakas yung gripo. Silencer. Alam na. Anyway, ganito gawin natin. Dahil malakas yung kutob mo, susubukan ko kung gaano kalakas yung kutob mo. Okay? I'm going to write something here. Gamitin mo yung kutob mo para malaman what is the word I'm going to write here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Now, do you have any idea of the word that I've written here? Any idea lang? Do you have any idea? Louder, do you have any idea? Gamitin mo yung kutob mo. Pag si Cedric nasa CR, pag si Cedric paulit-ulit yung tugtog ng 20 seconds lang at malakas yung gripo. Now, do you have any idea what is the word that I've written here? Yes or no? 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 Patay ka. No! Exactly the word! Palakpakan naman natin! It's no! Ngayon, gagamitin ko yung lakas ng kutob mo. Gamit yung kutob mo, choose a number between 1 to 99. Any number, 1 to 99. What would that be, that number? 61? Do you want to change your mind? Please. 28. Sige. Unang pinili mo, 61. And the next, you've chosen 28. Ganito gawin natin. I'll give you another chance. Ito yun. You can stay on, what's that? 21? You can stay on 61. You can go back to 28, or you can choose another random number. What do you want to do? Go back to 61, stay on 28, or choose another random number. Random number na naman. Stay on 26. 28. Ganito gawin natin. I have here on my iPhone. May mga baraha pa pala ako. Yan. May baraha. Alright, I have here on my phone. Meron ako dito notes. Alright, I'll show you my notes. Any particular reason why I chose 68? 68? 28. Any particular reason why you chose 28? Birthday mo. Hindi ko alam na birthday mo ha. So, I'm going to show you. Yan, my notes, may celebrities. Punta tayo sa celebrities. Can you check sino yung number 1 celebrity? Tom Hanks. Can you check number 10? Alright, can you check number 15? Can you understand they are different, all different, tama? Alright, and do you know some of them or most of them? Matandaan na ito, malabo mata ko. Sige, now we go to your number. What was your number? 28. If you stay on 61, who would that celebrity be? 61. It's Ariana Grande. Dapat. Pero nag-change ka sa 28 and that is Brad Pitt. If you didn't change your mind, your celebrity would have been Ariana Grande. Tama? What you change your mind is Brad Pitt. Guys, if I have the picture of Brad Pitt here, would that be amazing? Yes. Walang dito? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, the picture of Brad Pitt! No, 4 years old siya. Hindi, siya yan, blank tea, siya yan. Well, anyway, just kidding. I have here a prediction. I told you a while ago, I have here a prediction. Nakasulat sa prediction, I heart you. Now we open my prediction. On my prediction, it says, your day will start with a red rose. Lakpakan natin yung red rose. And your day happened, kailan yung nangyaring day mo? Your day happened on June 6. And your date is none other than Brad Pitt. Thank you so much everybody. My name is Tommy. And enjoy the rest of the evening. Enjoy for you.